Hey kiddos, it's Miss Quizler. On today's episode, I want to show you how I made this surprise fish drawing. Aww. Ah! To begin, I'm going to make some folds on my paper like this, so that it opens up a little bit like an accordion. Then I'm going to start my drawing and I'm going to make sure my fish mouth lines up with the fold, like this. Then I'll give it a trace with a Sharpie. And then I'm going to open up and complete the surprise part of my drawing, where it looks like my fish has a mouth that is wide open. And after I trace that with Sharpie, then it's ready for details and color. Check out how I finish my surprise fish drawing. There it is, friends, a surprise drawing. I cannot wait to see the artwork that you are making at home. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.